Hi students, welcome back. In this video, we cover all the questions from JEE Main Jan 2025 from the topic quadratic equations. Given the product of all solutions of the given equation for x greater than 0 is dash. So let us first write the equation given here. Whole square plus 3 is equal to x power 8. Let us apply log on both the side. Log e power 5 log x whole square plus 3 is equal to log x power 8. Now this term can be taken as 1, that is log and e. Therefore the given equation can be rewritten, which gives us 5 log x whole square plus 3 is equal to 8 log x. Now let us take let log x to the base is equal to some t here. The given equation becomes 5t squared plus 3 is equal to 8t, or the equation is 5t squared minus 8t plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in t, and therefore the sum of the roots can be written as the sum of, we can write the sum of the roots as t1 plus t2 is equal to minus b by a. So here it is minus of minus 8 by a is 5. So t1, t2, substitute the value for t. We have taken here t is equal to log x. So substituting the value for t, we get log x1 plus log x2 is equal to 8 by 5, or this is log x1 x2 product of the roots is equal to 8 by 5, or x1 x2 is equal to e power 8 by 5, and that's the answer here. Alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. Theta lies in interval 0, 2 pi open interval, and m denotes the minimum and the maximum values of alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Then 16 times of maximum plus minimum value is equals dash. So here let us write first the given equation 2x square plus cos theta of x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the sum of the roots will be equal to minus b by a, which gives us minus cos theta divided by 2. And the product of the roots will be, product of the roots is equal to c by a, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now let us find what is alpha square plus beta square, which will be is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta, which is equal to minus cos theta by 2 the whole square becomes cos square theta divided by 4 minus 2 times of minus 1 by 2, which gives us this is equal to cos square theta divided by 4 plus 1. Now next we find what is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Now this is equal to alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Applying the values here, this becomes alpha square gives us cos square theta by 4 plus 1 the whole square minus 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4. Here theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. So let us take the minimum value to be 0 here for cos theta less than or equal to 1. Now when I take minimum value, the minimum value when cos theta is equal to 0. Substituting cos theta is equal to 0 in the equation, we get the minimum value to be is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Here cos theta value is 0. Now coming to the maximum value can be calculated by taking maximum when we substitute for cos theta to be is equal to 1. 1 is the maximum value. So substituting cos theta is equal to maximum is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 whole square, which gives us 25 by 16 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 17 by 16 will be the maximum value. Now, the question is, find the 16 times of maximum plus minimum. Therefore, 16 times of maximum plus minimum gives us is equal to 16 into 17 by 16 plus the minimum value is 1 by 2, which is equal to 16 into 17 plus 8 divided by 16, which gives us is equal to 25. And this is the answer. Next question, if the given equation has equal roots where a plus c, b are given, find the value of a square plus c square is equal to. Now let us put x is equal to 1. When we take x to be is equal to 1 in the given equation, what is that we are getting? AB minus AC plus BC minus AB plus CA minus CB. Now this satisfies the given equation and therefore x is equal to 1 is the root of the given equation, and it is mentioned in the question that it has equal root. So if it is going to have equal root, then the roots of the given equation, it has equal roots and therefore the roots are 1, 1. Equal roots which are nothing but 1, 1. Now let us take the sum of the roots. Sum of roots will be is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 on the right side. From the equation, we take minus b by a, that is minus of b into c plus a divided by a into b minus c. We simplified by taking 2ab minus 2ac is equal to minus bc plus ba. Now what is this equation? How can we simplify this? 2ab? Bringing this ab to the left side. Bringing this ab to the left side, we get minus ab is equal to minus bc plus 2ac. So that gives us ab is equal to minus bc plus 2ac, or taking this term to the left, this equation can further be simplified as ab plus bc is equal to 2ac. Now coming to the next step, this can be written as this is equal to b is common, b into a plus c is equal to 2 times of ac, which gives us a plus c from the given equation. What is a plus c? A plus c is equal to 15. So b value is also given to as 36 divided by 5 into a plus c is 15, which is equal to 2 times of ac. Now 2 and ac, 2, 36, 18 times. 5, 15, 3 times. Now this gives us 18 into 3 gives us here AC. AC is equal to 54. Now we have got AC is equal to 54. Now from the question, we know that A plus C is equal to 15. So which gives us the sum of the terms must be 15. So we can take A is equal to 9 and C is equal to 6. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 and 9 into 6 is equal to 54. So we have got the value for A and C here. Now we want to find what is A square plus C square. A square plus C square is equal to 18 plus 36, which is equal to 117. The next question, alpha, beta are the roots of the given equation, quadratic equation given Pn. An expression is given alpha power n minus beta power n. P3, P4 and P5, P6 are given. Then mod of alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equal to dash. So from the given equation, the equation is x squared. The given equation is x square minus ax plus minus b is equal to 0. So let us take alpha and beta to be the roots of the given equation. Therefore, the sum of the roots alpha plus beta will be is equal to a. and the product of the roots alpha beta will be is equal to minus b. Now from Newton's formula, the given state n plus 2 minus apn plus 1 minus bpn is equal to 0. Now from the given series of expressions given P3, P4, P5, P6 is given. Let us take a suitable value here. Let me take n is equal to 4 and therefore 4 plus 2 we get P6 minus AP5 minus BP4 is equal to 0. Equation can be written as is equal to P6 is equal to AP5 plus BP4. Now let me substitute the values of P5 and P4 from the given question. P6 will be is equal to 45 root 7I is equal to AP5 given to be 11 root 7I plus BP4 is given to be is equal to minus 3 root 7I. Now dividing the equation throughout by root 7 we get 45 is equal to 11A minus 3b. Now let me take this equation to be equation number 1. Next, taking n is equal to 4 now, the given equation becomes P4 n is equal to 3. The first one is n is equal to 4. So now this is n is equal to 3. We get P5 minus AP4 minus BP3 is equal to 0. And this given equation can be rewritten as P5 is equal to AP4 plus BP3. Now let me substitute the values for P5. So P5 is equal to 11 root 7I is equal to A. P4 is minus 3 root 7I plus BP3 will be minus 5 root 7I. Now dividing the equation throughout by root 7I, we get the resultant equation to be 11 is equal to minus 3a minus 5b is the second equation. Equation number 2. Now solving the equations 1 and 2, we get the value for solving 1 and 2. We get the value for a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4. Now our question is, from the question here, alpha plus beta sum of the root is equal to a is equal to 3, product of the root alpha beta is minus b which gives us is equal to 4. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta which gives us this is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now substituting the values we get 9 minus 2 times of 4 which is equal to 1. Now next step we want to find alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 which gives us modulus. So this is alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square modulus. Now this is equal to modulus of 1 minus 2 into 4 whole square which is equal to modulus of 1 minus 16 into 2 32 which gives us modulus of minus 31 and therefore the answer will be is equal to modulus of alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 will be is equal to 31. The next question is such a simple question given two equations here and the product of the rational roots of the given equation is equal to us. So the equation is x square minus 9x plus 11 whole square minus x minus 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 3. Now let me open this term here. So we get here x square minus 9x plus 11 whole square minus of multiplying we get x square minus 4x minus 5x is minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 3. Let me see here in This 20 can be split as 11 and 9. Therefore, I can write the given equation as x squared minus 9x plus 11. Let t is equal to x squared minus 9x plus 11. Now substituting this value in the given equation, we get t squared minus of t plus 9. This 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the equation is t square minus t minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Therefore, the values of t are t is equal to t minus 4. This factors of the given equation is t minus 4 into t plus 3 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus 3 and 4. T value is minus 3 and 4. Therefore, I want the value for x here to find the product of the roots. So when we take the value for x is equal to 4, let us see what is the value for. When we take t is equal to 4, then x will be x squared minus 9x plus 11 is equal to t, where t is equal to 4. Therefore, equation becomes x squared minus 9x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now, the roots are x is equal to minus b. So, 9 plus or minus root of b square 81 minus 4a is 1, 4ac, c is 7 from the equation divided by 2a, which gives us x is equal to 9 plus or minus root of 81 minus 28 divided by 2, which is equal to 9 plus or minus root of 53 divided by 2. I want only rational root here, so therefore we are not interested in this value. Now let us take when x is equal to the next number minus 3. Therefore, I get here x square minus 9x plus 11 is equal to minus 3, and therefore the equation becomes 7 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives us x is equal to 2, 7 or 7, 2. Now these are the roots of the given equation. Therefore, our question is find the product of the roots. Therefore, the product of the roots will be 7 into 2, which is equal to 14. Modulus value, let us find first. 2x minus 3 can take two cases here, plus 2x minus 3 for all greater than or equal to 0 for all values of x greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Equating to 0, we get x greater than or equal to 3 by 2, and minus of 2x minus 3 is less than 0, which is equal to, this can be written as 3 minus 2x for x less than 3 by 2. Now case 1, the first case, when x takes the value x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2, we apply this modulus value here, which becomes x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 is equal to 0, and the equation is x squared plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. Finding the roots, x is equal to minus b minus 2 plus or minus root of b squared minus 4 a1 c is minus 7 divided by 2, which gives us this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 into root of, taking 4 out of the root, we get 1 plus 7 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 8 is 2 root 2. Root of 8 is 2 root 2. Dividing throughout by 2, we get x is equal to this value. Eliminating, I am not going to take the negative value here. I take only the value x is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 2. Minus 1 minus 2 root 2 is the negative value we are not taking. We take x is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 2. Next value, second case, we are taking the equation when x is less than 3 by 2. The equation becomes x squared minus x squared plus, this can be written as 3 minus 2x minus 4 to 0, or this is x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, This can be written as x square minus 2x. I add 1, subtract 1, minus 1. This is minus 1 is written here. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Or this equation gives me, this is one term, x minus 1 the whole squared, minus 2 on the right becomes plus 2. Or x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 2. The two values are x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 2. But here x is equal to 1 minus root 2 only is acceptable because x is less than 3 by 2. So the two roots here are 2 root 2 minus 1 when x is greater than 3 by 2, greater than or equal to 3 by 2, and x is equal to 1 minus 2 root 2 when x is less than 3 by 2. Now the sum of the squares. From the question, we want the sum of the squares, which is equal to 2 root 2 minus 1 the whole squared plus 1 minus root 2 the whole squared, which gives us this is equal to 4 into 2, 8 plus 1 minus 4 root 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 root 2, which gives this is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 6 root 2, which is equal to 6 into 2 minus root 2. This is the answer. 6 into 2 minus root 2. The number of solutions of the given equation is given, that is 9 by x minus 9 by root x plus 2 into 2 by x minus 7 by root x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us take t is equal to 1 by root x. If t is equal to 1 by root x, the given equation becomes 9t square minus 9t plus 2 into 2t square minus 7t plus 3 is equal to 0. The factors of the first factor will be 3t minus 2 into 3t minus 1. And the next one can be written as t minus 3, or t is equal to 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 and 1 by 2, equating the value factors to 0. So let t is equal to 2 by 3 implies 1 by root x is equal to 2 by 3, we to 9 by 4 when t is equal to 2 by 3. Similarly, equating 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by root x is equal to 3 and 1 by root x is equal to 2. The remaining possible solutions are x will be is equal to 9, 4 and 1 by 9. So the possible solutions for the given equation will be 9 by 4, 9, 4 and 1 by 9. So number of solutions will be 4 solutions. The set of all A belongs to R for which the given equation is equal to 3A has no real root is in the interval, then sigma x square is equal to. So here, an equation that is 2x square plus a minus 5 into x plus 15 is equal to 3a. Or this can be written as 2x square plus a minus 5 into x plus 15 minus 3a is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Now from this equation, discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant is equal to 0, it has equal roots. So discriminant is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So from the given equation, b square minus 4ac will be a minus 5 the whole squared minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 15 minus 3a is less than 0. Simplifying the equation, we get a square plus 25 minus 10a minus 8 into 15 minus 120 minus minus into minus plus 24a is less than 0. The equation is rewritten as a squared plus 14a minus 95 is less than 0. And the factors are a plus 19 into a minus 5 is less than 0. So a belongs to, the values of a are a belongs to open interval minus 19 and 5. Now, in the real line, x takes the values. X will be is equal to my open interval given. So, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16 goes on up to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sigma x square in the sense minus 18 to minus 1. So, this will be minus 18 square plus minus 17 square. So, when squaring minus goes off, so it can be written as sigma of, this can be written as sigma of 18 square, then plus 0 is 0 plus sigma of 4 square, which is equal to applying the formula sigma n square. So n into, applying the formula for sigma n square, we know sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. 18 is 36 plus 1, 37 divided by 6 plus 4 into 5 into 9 divided by 6. Now simplifying, this will be is equal to 2109 plus 30, which is equal to 2139. This will be is equal to sigma x square.